Hello guys, this is Mansoor from Tech, and 2017 has been a year of narrow bezel-less displays. With more and more displays coming to these flagship phones, it was only a matter of time that these displays trickled down to the mid-range or budget phone. Huawei, with its dedication to bring the newer technologies to its low prices, has got its new offering, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, with the 18:9 aspect ratio FHD Plus screen is going to great impression on its lowest offering and its competitive. So we're going to find out, is this comparable with the 30,000 PKR price tag, as it is a new phone. So it's time to get to its unboxing.
The box is white and simple with Huawei Mate 10 Lite branding on the front and Huawei design branding on the side. Let's just open the box. And the phone is sleeping sideways. Let's just take the bad boy out. The main specs are on the front slate. Let's just keep it aside for a bit and take a look at the other boxes. So the box packs inside the user manuals, which we don't need. Just pack it and throw it away. Oh, they are including a hard shell transparent case. A lot of people love this kind of cases as these don't sacrifice the looks of the phone. The other box has a SIM ejecting tool on top. While inside is a charging brick, a micro USB cable, no Type-C, and just regular Huawei headphones. So we will just take the phone out and unwrap it to review. So the first thing that you will see when you pick up the phone, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, is the screen. With a taller 18:9 aspect ratio and 5.0 inches of bezel-less screen, it looks pretty amazing. The device looks super sleek, and even with nearly 6 inches of screen is fairly manageable in the hand as it is tall, not wide. The back of the device is a complete aluminum slab, something which is not very common in the mid-range smartphone genre. The dual camera sits near top of the back, the phone with fingerprint sensor lying just a couple of clicks below that. The placement of button is pretty standard for a smartphone. The power button is on the right side of the device and the volume rockers. All the buttons are tactile and easy to reach with narrow frame of the device. The headphone jack is at the bottom alongside the micro USB port, no fast charging and a speaker. The speaker sounds average. If you feel like the display is being mentioned again and again in this review, it is because it is. Mate 10 Lite 18:9 FHD Plus display is one of the main attractions, and it's apparent for the first time you hold it in your hand. The screen is sharp, bright and fairly accurate out of the box. The colors do seem a bit on the cooler side, but they can be easily fixed through the calibration option given in the setting. To put it simply, the display is beautiful and is pretty amazing for the phone asking range. Huawei Mate 10 Lite is shipping with Android 7.0 and EMUI 5.1 out of the box. That's a bit disappointing as its bigger brothers will have Android Oreo along with EMUI 8. Huawei Mate 10 Lite comes with Kirin octa-core 659 chipset, which is perfectly suited for mid to heavy usage. The 4GB of RAM flies through the day-to-day tasks. The Mali T830 MP2 GPU handles heavy games great. Talking about the cameras, the phone is having 4 cameras. Yes, you heard right, 4 cameras. A pair at the back and a pair on the front, followed by LED flash with both. The back is having a 16 megapixel along with a 2 megapixel sensor. The lens setup is a bit protruding from the phone but doesn't feel bad or weird. The camera captures great images. What it lacks is the OIS, optical image stabilization, and even the EIS, the electronic image stabilization. Outdoor shots do come great, while it lacks a bit indoor shots. The setup shoots at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The front is having a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel sensor for that portrait selfie trend. Here are a few of mine. Mate 10 Lite is equipped with a 3340 mAh battery. It's not crazy amount of juice, but coupled with FHD Plus screen and power efficient chipset, it provides enough milliamps to easily get through a day with moderate to heavy usage. I never experienced the phone dying before putting in charge at the end of the day. One of the most important things while buying a new phone is measuring how much value does it provide for your money. If a phone is perfect in every sense and it still costs way more than it should be, it's not an intelligent purchase. That's a particular area where Huawei Mate 10 Lite shines. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to follow me on my social networks. I would like to thank my bro Abdullah for hooking me his phone to make that video possible. Subscribe to the channel and take care. Peace out.